Alpha Zero and Namataka di Kua, on the Talanga Lulu, and Abu Samati and Mataka Dendai, and to all our listeners who are tuning in this morning from all parts of the country. We see Mbulubanaka and Nanabanaka, also to all our listeners who are tuning in from overseas. Weer kita saling di bingkai rabi, orang itu yang taban di bingkai rabi nek. Kita pengen ada lebih kemudian Mataka di Kua. We also say Mbulubanaka and Nanabanaka to all the listeners tuning in from all the villages. Main lo mana sana bawa turang itu lo da aun rabi buah. Maduata.
Right. Likewise, good morning to everyone who's tuning in inside the bus. Likewise, inside the taxi. Tamay to see me and the family. Number two. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning. Likewise to Rosa Anna and sampai kayak the secondary school hostel.
Alright.
Tapi tak kena tahu nilangi. Sampai lebih nak lebih tamay Johnny ya. Ambula binaka tu Luisa wangena bete David Junior Saulinga Kesaiya Viliame may wakati mga village ngo tamay Saulinga Junior ambula binaka. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Lalubia Island Resort kito babonto tungan ko na MV Tuiwewe. Umili ko seru to saya matanggali on dela sau mbula re Benji Masara ngo ambul taltungan na bubali lebu may na ano no bukaturong motorik
Erbinaka
do mbula binana kir bubali may na Cesara mbula binaka
Erbinaka dems aung kay baliling tali ada bedun mini lulu en matagli ko 6 bottle sama sar cuma chaman en matagli ko Erbinaka 6 bottle pada Erbinaka dulu tokani Royana Erbinaka onandi ko 679 pada Erbinaka sama cuma en matagli ko Lucy 736 and nonta ngono boru taki wa mimbi tiko be sweet away and buku be toka ne be semati and mataka ni paka tambe
very good morning to Malakai ya my baba tuning in this wonderful morning. Thank you very much Lakai Virginia and the Panpasa Matani Singa Isa Kim and Billy Ratumbola from Queensland, Australia. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Ebnaka sabi ko maya na matagdi ko kami kada na kada may lumain na bedunum ni lulu na matagdi ko pa usip talaga be Rayana kay na matabeo kani na buno be to kada be ngomi to all the drivers to all the RSL drivers on the way to school dropping the students and matagdi ko na bita chira chiri so duo so roso tul saranga and buno be correso e tipo abolita na korni bule be grave kina na RSL and matagdi ko.
Good morning to Nausori Koro, the Bubale the Talembula family. Aloma Salato, Sabu Bunga Lete Levu, Nausori Korongo, Napoleon Itambuabu. Ahoy! Bula Binaka.
Lucky Dube. Okay, first of all, before our story,
Julum.
Tell us about the kawai.
The kawai is a plant. We as a source of food in our everyday time. It's like a breakfast. It's nada mana susomi?
Replace.
It's a replaceable of a sugar. If you don't take sugar, you take kawai. It's a sweetness of the kawai that envelope yourself into the sweetness of the part of your body.
Okay, kami sa.
Kami da. We like it. It depends.
So without sugar, if you have kawai, that's it.
It's good because they are sweetness.
But that kawai is very very healthy sugar. Sweet, very very healthy. Sweet.
All right.
And you see the kawai, when the kawai is mature, you'll see the samalai. There will be no green leaves. They will be sa mate ni rauna. Sa mate ng rauna, and they are very very dangerous. Why? Because when you go to the kawai, they have the botona. The botona around them. Some of them they big like this. Some of them they are forming marbles. Around the bouquet. Or inside the if you got aware before the tukuni naroro. Naroro is when you go. It's not like a farm. You call it bikau. Wakami abono do bather tukina before they have the farm of their isebu. They are were. Like 5 years ago, 7 years ago. You go there, you will see. San Roman andoni kawai. That is machiwa.
Wana.
Bravo.
So sweet awai is the best kawai.
It's the best. That's why we call the kawai ni maduata. The kawai ni mbambasinga. Because where there is sunlight, the sweetest the kawai. Just like the sugar cane.
So the kawai is like alive in maduata or mbotu?
They can grow anywhere, but the sweetest, the sweetest kawai depend on the sunny.
Sunshine.
The weather.
Sunny. Okay, alright. Okay. Our story this morning. our story this morning is about the two Beta Valeni
Yeah.
plus the one that went to the village.
There is we all know
Yeah.
that we need to face
Yeah.
Ah.
the Kambimbi,
Yeah.
the heavyweightiness of our life.
Yeah.
It's the right time at the right thing.
Yeah, right.
Mosotaba na
Do the right
nonton
thing at the right time.
this
Yeah.
Don't swim across the ocean. Don't
Yeah.
swim across the ocean.
Yeah.
Kalau mau mo kay.
Iya.
Ah.
Mosotaba dona kandon dona ka ena kenangonan donu
Yeah.
ena bonuan donu
Yeah.
ena ngonan donu.
Right time, right place, right runabout.
Arna bonu gorna ribes. So you have to face it there.
Yeah.
There is a tutabale.
Yeah.
One day, before the tutabale arrived,
Yeah.
the Wantabale
Yeah.
came first to a place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Came first to a place.
Man for the girl?
Au na bambula tu bembuais, wa siya rasong gila, buais, mbula binaka.
Yeah.
Oni ni binaka binaka.
This is a true story, go.
A true story, based on true story. True, true, So he come to a place
Yeah.
where they do the songo.
Right.
They come to a place they do the songo. When they go back, he met one young girl.
Yeah.
Like they met in the
During the songo.
20s. Yeah, during the songo.
Yeah.
When he go back, after a month, and they had, this one got a child here.
Oh.
Ito kun yung ngay yung kala ko ka, ang galing the girl pregnant.
Yeah.
The girl is full of.
Iya, saba,
Yeah.
esa kune-kune.
Yeah.
Sa tao na matayandi. He don't know.
Yeah.
He go back to the village.
Right.
When he go to the village, one of their relatives was married there, and he one day he come to the Christmas.
Yeah.
He told to the people, hey, this one got one children there. He got
Boy.
one children there at our side,
Yeah.
at our settlement there. So this one, what's the number of the girl?
Yeah.
Call?
He knew straight away.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
He tell the month,
Yeah.
Yeah.
when you go back, I was pregnant, but I don't have a number or even call you
To contact you.
to contact you
Yeah.
so that you can know.
Yeah.
So it was a miscommunication.
Miscommunication.
Yeah.
So the girl and the boy was start to Rosatuna. Oh boy,
Yeah.
I want to marry you.
Oh.
So I will do whatever traditional bulu taki
Yeah.
and everything. I want to come there because that's my bloodline.
Yeah.
Bloodline.
Yeah.
Nanungku kawang gud.
Yeah.
I want you and I want you, mama, and you, my son,
Yeah.
to take.
So they wait for each other.
They wait for each other.
Yeah.
So they come. When the daddy, baby daddy come,
Yeah.
he bring one of his tabale.
Yeah. The kamunanga and everything.
Au na bayar tiko be tabale iwana bet selala.
Yeah.
Anda bina tal tunga be ilikini tamay Diyos simbola binaka bita tuawa. Va satu minggu tabale selala. May sanga na Bible yesterday.
Yeah.
He going hand empty.
Likewise to Bitutuawa.
Yeah.
Tuning in from Rawata farm. That's seven in Baturo.
Boy. Kaya kami bikin ang bikin na kanong ko ni talon din na saranga.
Iyo.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Based on a
maybe-
true story.
they
Maybe
come.
that is Kaleo Petero too.
Ah.
Kaleo Petero.
When they come to tabale, they coming to the place, eh?
Yeah.
So they coming, they do the sebu-sebu.
Yeah.
Sebu-sebu, so you know it's very happy.
Yeah, hindi na
The
sarang.
family there.
After so long.
After so long time,
Iyo.
coming to the sebu-sebu, and they coming the sebu-sebu, nguniangona.
Yeah.
Nguniangona, you know,
Lebih marau.
Lebih marau.
Yeah.
They see the baby.
Yeah.
When they see the baby,
Yeah.
it will look like the younger brother.
Oh!
Boy.
Yeah.
The same future.
The same feature.
Iyo.
Siya makasarang kay kuya ngoni po. Oh, ngoni ko sa uli.
Yeah, gitu
No
sarang.
different.
Yeah.
No different.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
See.
Lawaki na. Sama ya, pero sabi siya, kita balik ni.
Jude Bolo.
Yeah, bottom. So when they coming there, they do the sebu-sebu.
Yeah.
After the sebu-sebu, they drink rog till AM.
Yeah.
Salin dua kalau kau ni mata kata.
Yeah.
After that, they having.
Sabi yo, sa takit yung mo to, tolo tamay boy.
Iyo, tamay boy, tamay papa.
Tamay papa.
When tamay papa, taki.
Calling the taki.
Because he himself
Yeah.
was looking forward to the night.
Yeah.
Luka.
Memberi kala narara mesa robital loro wat kitin ngon. They have to talk to each other. You know.
Why don't they want to talk in the morning?
Are morning is a bus. Are morning glory.
Oh, the bus, body glory. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So when they coming in there, he wants to talk to
Kurang pala bita mo ala ko makino ka.
to Kia. May bakante taka that night stamp to stamp
Yeah.
to the girl. he will coming and see them in the professional traditional way. Kalau may papa nua. Wala ta lebih professional.
Sa interview.
To do it in that way. So they coming. When they coming,
Taki.
Kuita na taki. Gaya kono mina koro, very pure.
Sinabi Momo, na remote ito tolo.
O Momo sa singay bosa. Sa dubara to nga punan tabi tukin.
Karisar ng bilo ni Momo.
Karisar
Na
Momo,
remote ito
O
tolo.
Momo balik na tumba. Balik na tumba basul bato nga.
Hala!
Bata nan raki mirtu na uda.
Ele, tamay papa men. System chigubi ko.
Iya. And after that, Momo jaw.
Iya.
Sa ata sumbon ito ni Momo.
Smile mo, tamay papa.
Smile, ikaw ko ya, ambogin tayo, ambogin ni Colombia ka.
Oh.
And sabi na kato kami, may bakante taka, he wants to
Sir.
step.
Yeah.
But from that
yeah.
one, I want to talk to this one. I want to marry you.
Iyo.
I want to take the children too with you.
Yes,
I want to follow the traditional ceremony.
Aha.
Muria, bulu taki.
Iyo.
Zamata ningoni to from you. Thank you very much for the services.
Iyo.
And everything. Kaya ngona because this young boy.
Iya.
Kuya rawati ko ya, taman to titi, turang to titi.
Iya, Dina.
Yeah.
So after that,
Iya.
about the sleeping hour.
Sama tayo ko.
Ama tanayang ko na after the dinner.
Yeah.
The golden time, golden hour.
He was looking forward to sleep in the room so that they can share story.
Iya.
Meron utang na wakil na babinaka.
Ha.
They want to share story. And the tabale,
Seberitang na to.
iyos. Meron ni kang to
Iya.
Hey! Meron na siya kay kinimitang yung tawa.
And
Sa
after
wala
that,
siguro mata ka.
O, sulat naman ta. Kaya
Yeah.
walang basi.
Iya.
the tabale, he will think. His tabale will sleeping here.
Yeah.
Tamay papa will sleep with tinay papa so that
Go
they can
sama
share
kasama
story.
siguro tamay papa ko.
Iya,
The happiness inside.
his imagination.
Iya.
His imagination that they will
Talk to
they
each
are
other.
talk each other.
Yeah.
They will share story from
Yeah.
there. Will mo embukatedi.
Yeah.
And rabinak. So they after that, Rama makam.
Iya.
Rama makam bring the
Bring mama.
Yo no nang buongan eh.
Oy.
Oh, the grandma that child. Yeah.
Ay chinay papa.
Iya.
Chinay papa you bring the pillow.
Yeah.
The blanket. Sa hope sartungo tukay ni sana. This is for awat yo tapale.
Kaya sa mo to ka na mata rabi chini big
Chinay papa yun sandi de garida.
Iyo.
Kailangan.
Iya.
Long time. And after that, akila sarungo ko yang ko sa ambita may natutubi. Gay bango mayo. Ono nang buo papa.
Iya.
Go menon raw tutubi na dorobo. Ni meron ta belo mani ba? Ale bunon nang guro bunito na kasi ni berlesenyo tamay papa. Nadabu ka nga mea, ngonon raw tutubi na dorobo ro modelo mani bale. Sinimber ng tamay papa. Vida.
And if you hear this on the gong,
Sinimber nga mo. Ombu no nang buo papa. Iya, ngari non raw tutubi na dorobo ro modelo mani bale. Sinimber nga ino tamay papa. Vida laki. Sember telemono ng bumbu papa. Santo nga non raw tutubi rosa tutubi bataki.
Ape batu.
Ella borwan rampa. Rogo tubi bata. Goromper acara rampasi.
Nambasi na ono rosa bimbing na 5. Sira ni bangko. Kanggo.
Oy, lai sekali.
Binabalik winner pa tayo at kay Punjas. Binabalik sa mo bali mayan na matakali ko ah.
E fiji sipa. Lo toka Filipe Mathieu Nori Oni Marika Epi Epenisa Tosese Kirto na
Oy,
potsi
sekali.
lo toka. Do sambulo binaka. Era mataka binani kuwa.
you're looking for love and I'm looking for your love. Baby,
Kaya, berang apa kasama ni tamay papa.
Iyo.
Kaya may samura kasar nga bino na din, no mo na bilo mi rumodi.
Kay, the thing is,
By the time they ko na mothers,
Iyo.
Momo and Nay won't be there.
the thing is before they came, the Nay and the Momo they already talk. You drink grog, I'm not drinking.
Oy, rawa. Maybe that's the plan.
Onay sininguno ka ba kay maramaluto.
Oy.
Maramaluto.
Kaya malaka ka kapito na yalo na binak.
Iya, kata kami
iyo.
na binaka ni Karua,
Iya.
sila binakatoka na bulay na nanduka, may adulo na. Niraw si Merat ni
Yo, otherro, sana na bakasama ko ya.
Iya.
Onay tamataluto,
Iya.
gonna understand sa chiko lomongon sa chiko
Do
pa.
talasana sana hope to gino
Iya,
tanani.
ni Sandua uti.
Isa.
Isa. Kung di maru ha.
Nanala ko maya sa tukuno ngonon ratutubi na darobo. raw modelo manival.
Iya.
Asin imberangan yo tabalo tamay papa. Seci beizala.
Sio.
Wele.
Ini kilau ko na yang ko na baki walusar ka la butu mengor me sib. Senga tale ningai mix piwa. Nirto ngunu bang ko nantara darayami.
Itu minta waktu si Arro kau kayak embunuh lewu.
Ya tau mai. Ko na sa ni board tu nguni sal. Ento bero na lang kami mata kanila.
Wele.
Iya.
Donton meron kaya rabi mamanlim mambal tanam basinono.
Ang pasinaon.
Terus ada tu napa nak kalau.
Ala ko may nguni sal to.
Danang pula.
Sekali. Iya, nanto kira-kira ko. Ano ba ka lakay malah di bosa dolati
Oh, tinay basa.
Tinay basa na siya.
Ano binaka tinay basa. Malah ni bosa dolati ko na mata ni tikin na may niray.
Oh, ano ba matakali?
Kuaran daw bosa beno na pup.
Iya, dinasar. Bila sa niya ra.
Nabaliw. Kamya matangi lakay bitsinia.
Iya.
Sabi nabaliw. Katungan di bindel rabak, katungan di bital no.
Iya, nagtalon sila diyan.
Talon din na, talon din na saranga.
Iya, talon.
So bikin talo ko
Oke,
duro.
nakiri talo ya, ko sasar tal tunga man
Sar
matakali
tu
ko.
kami ko na kini talo no. Sasingan di biata buta na na. Iya. Wan ini binang ni bengkara di kamuli. We love you all. Like hatta kasyata kanonda mislak.
Iya.
Nama ta kabina